Alrighty everybody, good evening. Gonna be washing out some tie-dyes. First up here we have the boat anchor. It's a pleated yoke, horizontally pleated bottom. So something new we're trying. But we've just been calling it the boat anchor, so. Good old boat anchor. Kind of hard to rinse these out, isn't it? There's all the pleats.
This one sat for a really long time.
Yeah, they all sat for like 2 days.
Yeah, I started a new job, so we were a little preoccupied for the past couple of days.
Yeah, we didn't get home quick enough to wash them out, but that's okay. We're washing them out now. I'm really excited to see how this boat anchor is going to turn out.
I'm excited too.
To the inside?
To the inside.
Yeah. Good old pleated yoke, aka the boat anchor.
So far, interesting.
Yeah. We'll know in a second.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, that does look really good. There is orange on this, by the way, deep orange. I went back and looked. Flashlight said you got to do today, but yeah. Deep orange. Bubblegum, hot pink, and citrus yellow. Quite a combo. One last band. Almost into it. What we got? Oh, one more. One more band. Almost there. See our water's starting to run clear now. Swapped over to the hot water. It's cold outside, hot on the inside. There's the final band. Let's see what we got. Pleated yoke. Ooh.
Cool.
Nice. Cool. Turn around. Let's see the back. That's interesting. I like that. I like that a lot, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, man. We can work with that. Oh yeah, more of these to come for sure. Look at that. Look at the pattern. Oh yeah. 2 little pleats coming on each side, like little partial bullseyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's real nice.
You do like it?
Oh yeah, that came out real good.
Even goes up to the sleeves.
Yep, all the way out. That looks good. Yeah. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really, really good. This is our pleated yoke with a pleated bottom as well. Made a nice little opposing pattern on the bottom there because she pleated from both sides vertically, and then of course pleated the yoke. We've done one of these before with a pleated yoke, but we pleated the bottom horizontally. So this, as you see, gives it that cool effect, and it's real neat how it even spreads all the way to the sleeves. Great coverage. Still a lot of white left on there, which looks really cool, but yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.